Hi there. Well, I think most of you will know what this plant is. It's foxglove. And for the people a lot of people say herbal medicine doesn't work. Well, actually, it does work. And the proof is this plant. Um, Even though I would never ever advocate that anyone use this internally or externally because it's toxic. Uh, this is the source of a drug called digoxin, which is commonly prescribed for problems with the heart. So, proof that plants have active constituents. Yeah, it's rather a dramatic plant, very dramatic, but every part of it should never, ever, ever be used. If I were treating a heart problem, I'd look more to hawthorn and night flowering cactus, backed up with whichever plants I see relevant, capsicum being a very, very good one. But yes, a very fine example of a toxic but highly useful plant. Bye.